Hello students, welcome to Thinker Studio by Professor Mahamani. The experiment 4 is simulate Arduino LED blinking activity using Tinkercad. So here only the virtual circuit creation is there with this experiment. Let us go to the map. Hello everyone. The experiment 4 is simulate the Arduino LED blinking activity using Tinkercad. The objective of this experiment is basic LED blinking circuit using Arduino Uno and Tinkercad circuits, understanding digital output and introductory Arduino programming. So all without physical hardware. So the objective it is very clear. We have to do only simulation using Tinkercad. Actually, this should be at first experiment. So due to our university experiment sequence, we are conducting at fourth experiment. Here, the LED blinking with Arduino, hello world, the activity for learning microcontroller programming. So this LED, that Arduino, that previous experiment, we given the pinout diagrams, everything. So prerequisite Tinkercad account. This is the link. There we have to register and open our account. For this virtual component in Tinkercad, actually hardware description is not there. So in Tinkercad simulation software, we have to drag Arduino Uno, LED, resistor, 220 ohm, then breadboard, jumper wires. The procedure is first create a Tinkercad account. You join now, sign in, and choose circuit. We have many options. We have to choose circuit. Then create new circuit. First drag Arduino Uno to workspace. Then add breadboard, LED, resistors, 220 ohm, and jumper wire. Connect anode. Long leg is positive, short leg is negative. Positive leg of the LED with pin 3 of Arduino. So Arduino pinout diagram, we have to put it at pin number 13 of Arduino. Then connect another end of the LED short leg to the resistor, 220 ohm resistor. Connect the other end of resistor to ground. This is the simple circuit. So the circuit click code text the mode, so replace the code with that. Then click start simulation to observe blinking. So observation table, we have to use that pin number 13 of Arduino. On time duration is 1 second, off time duration is 1 second, and blink. We are going to simulate for different timings. The result is LED blinking circuit was successfully simulated using Tinkercad. This is virtual LED blinked every second, demonstrating correct use of Arduino pin control. So let us go to that Tinkercad simulation. So here you look at that LED, right? Here we are placing our resistor. So this will be connected with another end of resistor. It is connected with pinout diagram. That is pin number 13. We are connecting. Resistor, there is no positive, negative. You can keep it at any side. But one end is connected with 13. Another end of resistor, it is connected with LED positive, that is anode. Then negative end of LED, it is connected with ground. So from here, we are connecting ground. So let us see the code for this particular program. So here we are giving void setup, pin mode 13 output. So this program description already we discussed. Then void loop, digital write 13 high, delay 2000 millisecond, that is 2 second. Here delay is 2 second. Now let us run the code. So I am giving start simulation. So look at the LED blinking. So lighting 2 seconds on, then 2 seconds off. Again 2 seconds on, 2 seconds off. So here you can change. So our requirement is we have to change 1 millisecond here. So for that we are giving stop simulation, and we are giving 1 millisecond, that is 1000 millisecond, 1 second. Now we are giving start simulation. Now every second once you will get on off.